looking for inspiration, trying to find a spark. That's where you'll find unique ideas. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanted to discuss the topic of how we create unique ideas consistently. If you're branding a business, creating a logo design, creative concept, creative piece, find unique ideas can be difficult. I've done this personally myself in the past, and I'm sure other designers like me have too, where you will go to Pinterest or Behance and scroll for hours, looking at similar things, looking for inspiration, trying to find a spark. But scrolling Pinterest or Behance isn't where you're going to find your unique ideas. Where you'll find unique ideas is using a process such as a word association mind map. And I've spoken about this on my Instagram. It's probably something we've all forgotten about or don't even think about using in a process like branding a business or creating a logo or coming up with unique ideas. But when we do a mind map and a word association mind map, we go from surface level ideas to deeper level ideas, and that's where we find those hidden gems. And we find those hidden gems by choosing a core word that describes that industry, the client sector. And from that central word, we then diagram out into subwords that describe it, and then go deeper in those subwords. And in those subwords and lower level words, we find these unique ideas, these unique pairings where we can pair words and create unique concepts for a brand identity, a new way of looking at a certain industry, an edge on something that we've never thought about. That's where you'll find unique ideas. You won't find unique ideas scrolling Pinterest or Behance. They're great for creating mood boards. There is a time and a place for doing that, and it's good to see what's out there. But I think if we're looking to create unique ideas, unique for our client, ideas that really truly represent the client, not just a carbon copy, not just we've been influenced by something that exists, we actually break down our client's industry or the business you're working with, their industry, how they want to be perceived, how they need to look, what's the message behind the brand of business, the people that work for the business, the people that own the business. These words, using this word association mind map, will get you that unique idea. You'll piece things and pair things together that you wouldn't have seen just on the surface and just scrolling other sites for inspiration. If you're looking for unique ideas, you're looking to 10x your ideas, try using a word association mind map. Create lots of words, see how you compare them, and see what unique ideas you'll come up with. I hope you found this video useful, interesting. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you create lots of unique ideas? How do you even create unique ideas? Have you had that struggle before where you're scrolling sites? I'd love to hear other creatives, how they create new ideas. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.